you look through that little hole right there.
I see Auntie's car. Can I
You
see?
zoom in, get a picture of Auntie.
John Michael, get in front and make a funny face. You're too close. Let me hold it. Let me hold it.
I don't think so.
Okay, Jess, because she's out there. If you close it. It's too close.
Yeah, you gotta go down off the thing.
I see Auntie's car. Yes, cheesehead, cheesehead, cheesehead,
Looks like one big
cheesehead.
fuzzball, doesn't he?
Yeah. Cheesehead, cheesehead, cheesehead. Get more out. And get in front of the thing. Cheesehead, 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 cheesehead. Cheesehead! Let's do some more. Get out there. No! I see Auntie's car. See Auntie. Auntie, make a funny face. Play your baby. I see the American flag. Little Jess, go look at the American flag. Go out there and stand beside the American flag, Jessica. Jessica, go stand out near the... Oh.
That's with a frog. He got all
Oh, there's a frog! You got it with somebody, Mom! Let's get the frog! Let's get the frog! I'm trying. Right there! He's on the frog! Get the frog! Get the frog! Get the frog! Get the frog! Let me try. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. We're trying to get him on
Don't
the
jerk
frog!
the camera with it. Ooh, he's right in the soapy stuff. That time he had a bath.
Make it move! Do something, make it come out! Where are you, frog? Where are you? There he is! You see it?
No, don't touch the camera.
Don't see.
Nope.
Put him in there! Put him in there! Put him in there! Put him in the bucket! Hey! Put him! Put him! It's like you know, my little girl. Go! Go! Go!
The little puppies wanted to come out. I thought we'd squirt them off.
Whoa! Not turning on the frog! Yes. Come here, Justin, and get the frog. Come here, Justin, and get the frog. Come here, Justin, get the frog.
Frogs are a dime a dozen.
Huh?
Frogs are a dime a dozen.
See? She's over there. See? We saw this frog. It came out when Auntie was rinsing out the bucket. And she's trying to splash him. But he won't move. There he goes. Let's keep an eye on him. Let's keep a good eye on him. Move on. Did you get him?
Yep.
Let's go watch. Did I get him?
Yep.
Let's go watch the tape. We're not finished with Auntie and the frog. Auntie, splash the frog again.
Where do you see him?
He's right there. You see him? Beside the hail. He's right there beside the hail.
Chrissy, where do you think you're going?
You like playing with fun. Let's go watch the tank. Justin, come catch him. Come catch him. Let's go watch the tank. We're going to watch the tank. We're going to watch the tank. Watch the tank.
What would you want to do that for?
Here it comes.
Don't push on it so you knock somebody's eye.
I want to watch the tank. I told you once.
No, I'm gonna put him in your bed.
Can I play the computer?
Yep.
Huh? How do I turn it on?
The secret.
I know how.
These are the puppies before taking them to the vet. Today is Thursday, July the 12th. And we're taking Christy to the vet to get her groomed. And we're taking Bear to the vet to get him groomed tomorrow. And we wanted some before and after pictures for this momentous occasion. There. Prissy. Yeah, he's a good guy. Yeah, pretty puppy. Hi there. Good night. Justin. Ooh, look at those pretty legs. Well, he was trying to put his on ribs tonight.
Mm-hmm.